We are at week 6 of this 15,000 square feet project in Ghansoli. And this place right here, this is where the transformation began to show real transformation. You see, the quantum of work to be delivered in this 60 days was a true challenge. But at AK Interiors, execution is not just about finishing, it's about proving consistency under pressure. And this project is another testimony to what we stand for. From day one, we had a clear roadmap. Week 1, planning, site setup, manpower, and material mobilization. Every milestone was preset, every crew knew their window. That's how we manage high pressure timeline, not reacting to it, but managing it. Let's start with a very unique and interesting design element challenge of this project. The client required it in gypsum, lightweight, but structurally sensitive. That's the kind of precision we bring it into execution. On the verticals, we have completed high detail tile work. 100 mm by 100 mm tiles, spaced just 3 mm apart, running up to 9 feet across walls. We wrapped this entire scope in 2.5 weeks, without a single compromise on alignment or finish. Now comes the real challenge. This kind of outcomes are not accidental. They are the result of systemized execution, where design, delivery, and discipline move in sync. That's how we hit benchmark without burning the timelines. Week 6 is where momentum peaks. From here, it's about finishing strong, with the same attention to detail that got us here. Thanks for walking the site with me again. Stay tuned for the final phase, where we will take this build from structure to handover.